Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might have some USDT. That's Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, sitting in your wallet. Today, we're breaking down how to withdraw USDT to your bank account in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with new regulations and tech updates, but always remember to stay safe in the crypto space. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a reputable crypto exchange or wallet set up, like Binance, Coinbase, or a decentralized option. In 2025, most platforms have enhanced security, so verify your account with KYC. That's Know Your Customer, to comply with regulations. This step is crucial to avoid any hold-ups. Once you're logged in, navigate to your USDT balance. The next step is to convert your USDT to your local fiat currency, like USD or EUR. Look for the Withdraw or Convert option in your exchange dashboard. Select your bank account as the destination, and double-check that your bank details are accurate to prevent any errors. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Initiate the withdrawal. In 2025, many exchanges use faster blockchain bridges or instant settlement systems, so your funds might hit your bank in minutes rather than days. But keep an eye on transaction fees, they can vary, so choose the lowest option available. Also, be aware of any taxes or conversion rates that could affect your final amount. Before you hit that confirm button, double-check everything. Crypto is volatile, and while USDT is stable, always use two-factor authentication and keep an eye out for scams. Once the withdrawal is processed, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Wrapping this up, withdrawing USDT to your bank account in 2025 is straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. It's a great way to cash out your crypto gains, but always prioritize security. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.